When it comes to foundation repair, the bracket is one of the most critical components of the entire system, and not all brackets are built the same. That's why PierTech developed the patented Tru-Lift Bracket, a lightweight, easy-to-install solution designed to deliver stable, reliable lifting performance. Unlike many traditional repair brackets, the Tru-Lift Bracket is engineered to draw tightly into the foundation, creating a secure platform that resists movement or rotation during lifting. This design helps ensure that the load is transferred properly from the structure to the helical pier. The result is a more controlled lift and a more stable repair. The Tru-Lift is also designed with installers in mind. Its lightweight construction and streamlined design make it easier to position beneath the footing and quicker to assemble in the field, saving valuable time on every job. And on larger projects, those time savings add up fast. Installation is straightforward. First, install the helical pier and cut it to the proper height. Next, position the Tru-Lift Bracket beneath the footing. Install the slider block and threaded rods, place the lifting jack, and apply the load. In just a few simple steps, the system is ready to lift and stabilize the structure. Manufactured from high-quality steel and built for demanding conditions, the Tru-Lift Bracket is designed to perform reliably for years. It's just one more example of how PierTech combines engineering, manufacturing, and field experience to create smarter foundation solutions. PierTech Systems, from blueprint to bedrock.